Welcome back to MG Midget, birth of a race car, capturing my journey from car restoration to the 2022 MG Car Club Speed Series. Really exciting video for you today. It's the middle of December 2021, and if this video comes off, you should see it in around February time. Through the channel, I've made contact with Chris from the MG Car Club. He runs the Midget Register for the MG Car Club, and he's expressed an interest in putting together an article for Safety Fast, the club magazine. So we're going to see if that's something we can pull off together. So like all good harebrained schemes, the best thing we can do is go down the pub and have a chat about it. Okay, so I'm here with Chris from the MG Car Club, and we're going to see what's involved in getting an article put in the Safety Fast Club magazine.
Well, what we try and do is get people who are really interested in what midgets are doing in the world, and we try and get things that are of interest to our members. What content about renovations, competition, people enjoying their cars and just having a really great time with MGs.
Okay, so what's involved in getting that to print and getting it onto people's doorsteps then?
Well, as a scribe, it's my responsibility to make sure the articles are interesting. So basically, I'll contact people who we think have got a really interesting story to tell, ask them, or they will tell me their story. I or they will write that, and we'll try and edit that to make it of interesting content, put some nice pictures together. That will go through to Andy Knockman, the Safety Fast editor, and you will then see the finished article on your doorstep, in this case in February, which will be a full article with all the warts and all.
Okay, excellent. So need to get the pen and paper out, and let's get the first draft together. Right then, time to get the creative juices going and write an article. And there we have it, draft number 1. So let's get this off to Chris, get some feedback, and see if we can make this into a polished article. Next problem is going to be selecting 4 or 5 really good images for the magazine that really bring the story to life. So let's see what I can find from the thousands that I've taken so far. So that's the article done, the pictures are sent. The only thing to do now is wait for the finished product to drop through the letterbox. So here it is, Safety Fast has arrived. Let's have a look. So here it is, the February Safety Fast. In reality, the only thing we're looking for, page 51, the Midget newsletter. And there it is on page 51. We've got a nice prologue from Chris here, and then here's the 4 pages that we wrote, together with some good replication of the pictures here that was sent in for the article as well. Absolutely great. So here we've got the story in full, link to the website. That's nice. Maybe the only thing to say is the end of the article, it refers to the first event in Kerbera being April the 10th. That was the case when this was written, but it's actually April the 3rd now, just in case anyone was wondering. So from the article and the YouTube channel, been in touch with a few people from the MG Car Club Speed Series already. Already I feel part of a family, even though I haven't actually competed yet. It's been fantastic to see the article come together, and I'm really proud to have that in Safety Fast as part of the MG Car Club. It's a real testament to what you can do if you put your mind to something and set yourself a goal. I'd like to say a personal thank you to Chris Hale for getting in touch, for taking an interest, and for making this article happen and turn into reality. A really big thank you, Chris, for the time and effort that you've put into this as well. As it stands then, the car is actually ready. The last thing that it needs is a rolling road session in order to tune it and get it running perfectly. It's going to go on a track day, just to bed everything in, push things to its limits so I can help find the limits of the car. I've already entered the Cobra Sprint on the 3rd of April, so really looking forward to that, just making sure I've got everything in place as it should be ready for that. And there'll be a few more videos to come to track that progress leading up to that big day. As always then, thank you for taking an interest. Thank you for your likes, comments. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. I hope you've enjoyed the article and seeing how it came together, and I'll see you on the next video.